It's honestly so exciting to host our first RE-PEAT camp. We wanted to show all different kinds of peatlands and show that there's something in between nature restoration and intensive agriculture.
Yeah, I was kind of curious to see what kind of work we would be doing around peatlands. Me and a few people have been planting the little sci-fi seeds that have been soaked in water. I think so that they flow down more. And we've been doing that in these narrow strips. It's just walking, we mix it in the watering can and then go shoof, shoof, shoof.
To get it more even, that's why we use the water. So it looks like they're spraying water on water, but it's actually small seeds.
So this is the promise of polluticulture, that you can create these zones around nature areas and have a different type of land use there that is less intensive and maintains high groundwater levels, maybe purifies the water instead of adding nutrients to it.
I love it already. I've done 5 minutes now, but it feels really fun. It's interesting how they use the nutrients from the land, from the fields.
This type of agriculture can become something that actually helps to support your biodiversity.
There's a lot of birds that need a place and don't have, but here we have water, we have a lot of high grass to hide away from. Now we're still determined, if we grow something, it's food for the cows or animals or for humans. And here we actually grow something to build with.
All the plants that we plant are used as a building material, which I think is very interesting.
Because if you dry out the cells, you just have air chambers. I really like that you guys are here with so many people and you're getting introduced to these ideas. You're seeing what it is, and this is all experience and knowledge that you'll take away with you in the rest of your life.
Most of the knowledge is new to me.
Lots of nice group vibes and information.
And also we get to meet very interesting and like-minded people. It's always nice.
Yeah, I think it's a really nice way to connect with nature, connect with other people.
Young people really love to learn about nature and restoration, and we really want to do more camps like this.